Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can play Roblox without downloading it. So first up, open your browser and then go to Roblox homepage. Make sure to sign in with your account. Now from here, basically you just have to select any game you want to play using your browser. So if you don't want to just download this Roblox from Microsoft Store, you can basically just play it right here on your browser. So just need to choose any game that is actually free. So go back here. So for example, we're going to select this donate game. So what you're going to do is basically click on the play button. Now an option shows up here asking you to download it from Microsoft Store. So basically, if you don't want to get this app to your Microsoft Store, you just have to close this one or click on the background. And then here you just need to download and install it from your browser. So as you can see, we can't play Roblox without downloading it from browser instead of downloading it from Microsoft Store. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.